for racing. Racing just is started. Leofardo break quickly at the start. La Dolce Vita is on the outside. DreamWorks moving up. Zebody Champagne. His strong friend comes next while Flash Away is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have La Dolce Vita, where length and a half. Moving up now in second is number 6, and this one is Zebody Champagne. Leofardo is down on the inside. Third, Flash Away. Now moving up to take fourth. Then next on line is DreamWorks, while Strong Friend now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have La Dolce Vita by about 2 lengths. Zebody Champagne in second. Leofardo is racing in third. Flash Away is down in fourth. Next on line is DreamWorks, while Strong Friend is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have La Dolce Vita by about 3 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Leofardo, Zebody Champagne, Flash Away, DreamWorks, while Strong Friend is still racing in less. And Diana Winter in the home stretch. We have La Dolce Vita by about 2 lengths. Leofardo in second. Flash Away is racing in third with about 150 meters more to run. We have La Dolce Vita followed by Leofardo. Flash Away is on the outside, but it's still La Dolce Vita. And finally, it's La Dolce Vita, Flash Away, Leofardo, then comes Zebody Champagne.
Galing ni La Dolce Vita.
4126 ang ating datingan.